Dragon Sweater and Spinning Limited is one of the largest integrated sweater and spinning project in South Asia. The company has huge goodwill and enjoys tremendous market share around the world for its sweater products and yarns around the world. DSSL is one of the flagship company of Bangladesh's Dragon Group, which is the pioneer of Bangladesh Superscript 1S sweater industry. The group played a pioneering role in the sweater industry of Bangladesh by starting the first sweater project in Bangladesh in the early 80s with technical collaboration from Hong Kong and China. Since then the group has implanted the seeds for the development of the sweater industry in Bangladesh.
Hello, welcome to Dragon Group. Our company was established in 1985 with the technical collaboration with Hong Kong. Now we are a fully automatic sweater manufacturing facility with annual sweater export of 3 million pieces. We also have our own acrylic spinning plant with a production capacity of 4 million pounds per year. Recently we also set up a viscose spinning plant with a capacity of 6 million pounds per annum. Our capability is coarse gauge to fine gauge. We can do piece dyeing, we can do yarn dye, we can do space dye, we can do tie dye, stone wash, enzyme wash. Any type of dyeing is possible in our company. We have a very strong product development team, and our product development team can help the buyers to get the best type of designs and latest trends and yarn selection, and which we can cater to them every season. We have a strong marketing presence in UK, which is DS UK. They are there to give design feedback to the buyers and also capable of giving LVP shipments. Our factories are ethically compliant and our workforce are our assets, and they are paid well, and we maintain the highest standards of work environment in Bangladesh. We are a technically and technologically advanced company, and we look forward to welcoming you to Dragon Group to work together in the future. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Textile Technology YouTube channel.